this just sucks. We did not know the water line was there because from this pot, the pipe underneath the ground goes that way. So, and the water line is over there. So we don't even know what exactly is underneath there. Maybe it kind of goes slanted. Well, we don't even know. So whenever the water stops pouring, there was quite a bit of pressure still on the line. So once the water stops pouring, we'll dig it open, fix it. Hopefully we have the parts. If not, we'll have to make a run to town and get some parts, which nearest town is quite a couple miles, like at least an hour away. So hopefully we have all the parts. There's quite a bit of water here already, and this is it's just not fun. Nice. Looks like it's finally starting to drain. This hill here actually goes, it's going downhill, all these pipes, it all goes downhill to those pivots out there. So theoretically, this should all empty out and drain and head out to those pivots because we opened the valves by those pivots, so it technically should all go out that way. But we'll see, maybe we'll just have to shovel out all this water. But hey, at least it stopped spewing out water. That's nice. Well, it sucked up all the water, and there's a pipe. That right there is a 12-inch pipe, and it's going slanted from the pot here. It's going slanted that way, and we thought there was a pipe going from here straight west that way. So I guess there's maybe two. This one, the pipes that's on this side is probably just way deeper and way bigger. That's why I probably did it deeper. But somehow there's a pipe here, so I guess we'll have to dig this open. Got a backhoe behind the ditcher. The ditcher also has a backhoe on it. So we're gonna dig it open and then fix it. Got the pipe cut off, and turns out what you don't like the handle? Why not?
This thing. I don't like this. I like mine way better.
Anyways.
Did you record me?
Yes, I did. Anyways, from the pot, it actually goes slanted about 10 feet or so, and then there's 45 degree, and then it goes due west that way. So that's what actually happened here. And we actually just about to clean this out, and then we'll put a new pipe in there and then hook it up with a dresser on this side. And it's fixed. And now we're going back to ditching. I just barely dug this further open. The new electrical line has to go into that panel box right there. Just dug that corner piece open to where there's more room for the wire. And we're probably just gonna put a little bit of dirt over here and then lay the wire. New electrical line is in there. This time we got stuff that's in poly, so rats can't get to it or gophers can't get to it. Now I'm going to hook up all these wires. And yes, the electricity is off. So, by those pivots over there, that line is just done. We closed the ditch and everything, connected all the wires. Now here by this one, we're taking a little bit extra precaution and we're digging the hole to see exactly where the pipe is going. And we might just have to dig a hole right here where we're gonna ditch the line. So we might just dig it by hand, just that way the ditcher doesn't all of a sudden cut open another line. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm ditching another hole, or digging another hole. Well, we found the one pipe. It does the same thing as that pivot. It just goes slanted and then probably straight and then straight to that pivot. And second line is being ditched. The only problem we have now is this pipe, or this electrical wire. As you can see, it has that poly around it. We thought we had enough extra here, but with putting it in the ground, it kind of shrinks a little bit. So now the wire itself sucked itself into the poly. Now we don't have enough, so now we're trying to see if we can pull it with the Pioneer further that way. See if we can just pull it out of the, well, not out of the ground, but just pull it, see if we can get more to where we have more wire here on this end. So we'll see what we can do. This belt right here is not big enough, so my uncle's actually going to get a bigger belt, so we'll see if that'll work. Now we're gonna try with 2 Pioneers. I mean, it budged a little, but we need a little bit more horsepower. Well, it worked, but now the strap ripped, so now we need to get another strap. But other than that, it was pulling it. It was coming further this way. Well, never mind. Looks like that didn't work. Looks like whenever this line is done being ditched and everything, we'll have to just splice it wherever the wire is that got sucked in there, and then hopefully we don't have shorts here by this little bit here. It's probably only gonna be like 5 foot worth where it's not gonna be covered in that poly, but we'll have to be okay. Just ate supper. Now we're gonna come back here. We'll we haven't made up our minds yet whether we're gonna fill up the air seeder or not, but we're probably at least fill up the seed tender, and then this front hopper is full, so we're gonna move this conveyor over to the back one. All done. It's ready to fill up the air seeder, which we're probably just gonna do that tomorrow sometime. All right, so we're done for the day. We're not working anymore. We're did all we could, and it's dark. So right now, what I'm gonna do, got my shotgun. I'm gonna go see if I can find some rats. Found one. Go find another. Well, only found the one rabbit. I found another one, but it was way off in the mesquite, and I wasn't sure if it was a rabbit or not. I thought I saw something, but I'm not sure it was. Last year, though, we actually had a big rabbit problem out here. They ate over 120 acres worth of cotton. So this year, we don't really have a problem with that, it seems like. There's not really any more rabbits. The coyotes are eating them all up, so that's about it. Oh, and if you are curious about what kind of gun I was using, I have a Mossberg JM Pro Series. It can hold 10 rounds, 9 plus 1 in the chamber. This is what I always use for hunting and stuff. I love it. 12 gauge. It's awesome.